Watch Mondo's arms here. His bottom arm is long only because his pole is way out there. Anybody with a shorter pole or holding lower, that pole is going to be at an angle like that, and the straight bottom arm is going to stop the shoulders. Notice his both arms are flexed as he passes over his plant foot. That arm goes from long to flexed as he's passing over his plant foot. Notice the top arm is even soft here. That allows him to maintain speed through the plant. Speed of the shoulders swinging in to the cord of the pole. And that connection is now down the cord of the pole. So the pressure on the top hand isn't this direction. The pressure on the top hand isn't this direction. The pressure on the top hand is following the shoulders. Following the shoulders. So that initial pressure is down this way. There is pressure here, so he just doesn't get his arm yanked off. The pressure on the bottom hand initiates as he's pushing off the ground while there's a mechanical connection to the ground. And that all transfers into this. Now there's that pressure on the top hand there, down the cord of the pole. The shoulders pull it down the cord of the pole. His hips haven't collapsed. His hips are behind the cord of the pole. And then both knees are behind that. And then both feet are behind that. His knees are bent. That sets up for a sequential motion. That's what's going to load the pole more. The sequence of moves. His shoulders swung in. Then his hips are going to swing into this. Then his knees are going to swing into that. Then his feet. That sequence of moves creates thrust down the cord of the pole and loads the pole more. This top hand pressure is connected always to the cord of the pole. It's here, and that top arm pressure is going to follow the cord of the pole. So this, you don't want to throw this being there independently of the body. Then the body's going to wind up like that. And now the pole's pushing up that way. And this body's going to have to straighten up again. And the top arm's going to be, the top hand is going to be out in front of the body, the shoulders. So the body's going to be like this. So that timing of the top hand pressure has to follow the cord of the pole. And not just a random shove the hand forward. And if the top hand goes past the shoulders, the vaulter's not going to be between the pole and the crossbar where it needs to be.